Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
मडगांव बड्ड्याक कोयरात 1.5 महिन्याचे भुरगे वडयल्ले सापडले. बोवाळ जालो तेन्ना घरच्यांनी भुरगे कशे ना जाले ते नकळो म्हूण हात वयर केल्लो. मात पुलिसांनी आरोपी आवयच आशिल्ल्याचे सोदून काडले. आवय प्रियंका फर्नांडिसाक फातोर्डा पुलिसांनी अटक केल्या.
Police got a baby girl, 1.5 month old, whatever description was given of the missing child in that garbage bin. And we took the custody of the child, brought it to the police station, and we took him with the medical thing, necessary medical thing. And then we confronted the parents of the child. Among the father, he disclosed that he was with the child during the whole night, and he was awake trying to make the child sleep. But the child went to sleep in early morning, say about at 5 o'clock. And then father placed him on the bed, and he went to sleep elsewhere. And the child was with the mother. Then the mother of the child named Priyanka Arvind Naik informed her husband, saying that child is missing. Child called control room, and that way all things we went into the action, and we found the child. And when we confronted with the mother of the child, she said initially she was giving giving vague answers. Thereafter she confessed that she only has went and kept in the dustbin, as she was disturbed because of frequent sickness of the child, and as he is suffering with some illness, and right from the beginning, since her birth, the child is having some problem, and she is fed up with this thing, and she wanted to get rid of the thing, and all these things facts came to our notice. So in this connection, we have registered a case under section 317 and 336 of IPC at Fatada police station, and further investigation is going on.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.